I get this call, which is you're among the top 40 candidates selected, and we'll fly you to the US and you can pitch, and 20 would get selected post the pitch. I was like so excited about it. The reason was not because I thought I'll become a TL fellow. I still gave myself 0% chance. It was my first flight and international flight trip I would ever get for free. Somebody else was paying for it. So मैं तो US जाने से इतना खुश था कि मुझे लगा कि life is made, right? So, but again, coming back to how parents were helpful, I got like a few days. In that period, mom got the passport made. I didn't have a passport. For US visa, I didn't know was so hard. And yeah, there's an example of why I believe that genuinely I'm lucky. So I was told biometric करना है और जाके एक letter उनके तरफ, they'll send a letter, you give the letter, you get the visa.
And you have to go to Delhi or Bombay.
No, I was in Delhi only, so it was even easier. So I got biometric done. Next day was the interview. Now interview, I thought that letter देके stamp मिल जाता है. So I basically was wearing shorts, had my hair all over, and I reached the US embassy. And I see people are wearing jackets, ties, have big books, interviewing each other. So I thought maybe they have come here for some job interview, some different work. My work is different. That's the level of coming to self-confidence. Very self-confident. I reach the interview lady, and right, like as I get closer, line अगर आप देखोगे US embassy बाहर से लगता है. So बाहर से I thought it was different. But अंदर में reaching the counter, we were all in the same counter path. So I'm starting to feel that it's something different. But I was still convincing myself that
you started making your hair.
Peter Thiel has given me a letter. In my mind, I thought that you must like the visa will be given immediately. So the lady asked, "What's your purpose of visit to the US?" So I say, "I want to drop out by becoming a TL fellow." She listens, drop out, and in her mind goes, this guy is going to go to the gas station. Next, that's his plan. And weirdly, he's being honest about it also. I only learned this later because उस समय तो मुझे लगा, then she says, do you have, like, if that's the purpose of visit, is there an education also you want to pursue? I say, yes, TL fellowship can be considered as education. So she said, do you have any documentation for it? I said, there's this letter. So she said, unfortunately, it doesn't seem like we can give you the visa, but we can't also return you the passport. So typically, if they reject the visa, they give you back the passport. So I said, you can't reject the visa first off. And second, my flight is day after tomorrow. So to return the passport to me anyway. She says, unfortunately, that's not how it works. And shuts down the window. I came back home. I cried like crazy because I thought that US जिंदगी में शायद एक ही बार जाने का मौका मिलता because ऐसे तो कुछ होने नहीं वाला था. और सीखने का बड़ा दिल था मुझे. And before that, I had cold emailed so many people. I had cold emailed like 100 people saying that I want to come see like your office or so on. Like I had cold emailed, God bless him, Tony Shea of Zappos and so on, saying कि मुझे आकर के आपका office देखना है. So anyway, long story short, I wrote to the TL fellowship as well, saying that they didn't give me the visa. Can you write a letter to them so that there's some credibility? They wrote a letter. Then the embassy was nice to later give me the visa.